Hello students, welcome to Shodopsa's classes. So in today's video, we will be solving question from IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper. So we'll solve a question from section A. So in this question, as you can see, it is given there are two biased coins, C1 and C2 have probabilities of getting head 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So there are two biased coins, C1 and C2 have probability of getting heads given by 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 respectively. Now when tossed, if both coins are tossed independently, two items each, then the probability of getting exactly two heads out of these four tosses is given by four options, as you can see, out of which we need to find out the right answer. For this, allow me to insert a new page. So in this question, it is given there are two biased coins. Given by C1 and C2. There are two biased coins given by C1 and C2. So with probability of getting head with probability of getting head is basically equals to 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 respectively. So with probability of getting head is given by 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 respectively. Now if in two tosses of each coin, P exactly two heads, probability of exactly two heads is basically equals to probability two heads in C1 plus probability two heads in C2. So there are two probabilities, probability two heads in C1 plus probability two heads in C2, which will be plus probability one head in C1 and C2 each, with probability one head in C1 and C2 each. So it will be basically equals to 2 by 3 square whole square into 1 by 4 whole square. So now it will be plus bracket 1 by 3 whole square into 3 by 4 whole square plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 4. It will be into 4. So we can simply write it this way. Now if you further solve it, you will get it to be equals to 4 by 144 plus 9 by 144 plus 6 into 4 by 144, which will be equals to 37 by 144. This will be the answer. So the answer we have found it to be 37 by 1 by 4. So now if you go back to the question again, we had 4 options, out of which we can see the right answer would be 37 by 144, which is option B. So I hope you guys have understood this question. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on the number that I will be giving now. So the number is given as 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is given as www.shouravsirclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.